Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the RX-79G Ground Unit Full Suit Build Series Part 3, Test Fit 1.0. Today I'm going to try on the entire suit to see how it fits. Mostly everything is ready to go. I just have to add a few straps from the thighs to the shins, just so the shin pieces aren't spinning around on me. So let's get testing this out. Okay, I've got the entire suit on. You can see it fits pretty well. There's some things that I need to improve on. I need to cut the holes on the forearms a little bit wider just so I can get them further up my forearms. And I also have to work on the feet because they're digging into my shins very badly. And I may have to take some more height off of the thighs just to make everything fit a little bit better. But also, like I said, I have to still put straps from the thighs to the shins just so the shins aren't spinning around. And then I also have to finish some of the seam welding together to make sure it's nice and strong. And I have to make sure I also figure out how to put my helmet on, because right now I can't touch my face because that is about the limit of my mobility for right now, so I need to work on that. Okay, that's it for right now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and also don't forget to hit the thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video. Thank you for watching.